So today we discuss about the complete Webmaster. What is mean by Webmaster? What is the purpose of using by Webmaster? How to we can solve your spam content? So how to we can create your web page wise indexing? We all check by the Webmaster. First, we can activate how to Webmaster will be activate. So here, this is my blog. Blog, website, everything will be same. Now simple one, copy this URL. First time activate your Webmaster. Just go to your Webmaster portal website. What is the URL? google.com/webmasters. Click the add property. Here we can indexing the two things. One is the mobile apps. This is Android. Gmail nothing but only for Android. And a website. This is Android and a website. I'm selecting the website option. Select here. Click for add. Now is generating two options here. One is recommended method. Recommended method will be using by the websites. But we go with the alternate method using by the blog. Click here. The option call is HTML upload tag here. Just come down. Here recommended method. The code will be there here. This is a Google Tag Manager code here. Copy this code. Click to your Blogger dashboard. If you go to the website, the call is cPanel. If you go to the Blogger, they will call Blogger dashboard. Here the option call is theme. Click for edit HTML. Each and every code we adding by where? In your header parts. Is header. Copy paste. Click for save. After that, go to the Webmaster, click for verify. You're done with your verify. So your very important notice, you're done your website. Website is the no data. You activate your Webmaster, it's not appear. We can't activate. Website need maximum content are required. Minimum content are required. Without content, we can't index your Webmaster. Nothing but you're not activate your code. Why? Because the activation code will be based on your content or based on your content. Now here, this is your activate your blog. Suppose in your blog so many URLs are there. Now click this URL. Copy this URL. Just Google index. Check the URL will be indexed or not. Look here. Is not indexing. Copy this one, Control F, check. It's not only indexing by search. The simple one, just here. Webmaster purpose is indexing URL. We can business your URL. We can check your website issues. Everything check by where? In your Webmaster. Now here, after .com/ copy the entire code. Go to the Webmaster part, open your particular blog URL, click for crawl, fetch as Google. Here, the option call is click and fetch. Now, done your desktop, requesting indexing. Here we discuss about two options. One is called monthly 500. Second one is monthly 10. 10 nothing but faster index. Second one is the indexing by the Google approved. Now, I'm not a robot. Click for go. Now, is indexing will be done. Now, simple one, click for refresh. Now, check the URL will be indexing or not. We'll check by where? Your Google search engine. So, done. I'm where I'm searching by search engine. Now, copy this URL. What's the title here? Social media link share. Now come. Social media links share. Is proper index or not? Where? Using by Webmaster. Now come to the Webmaster. Here we go with the dashboard. Dashboard nothing but is showing for entire script. Your blogger will be indexing by the how to search analytics will be there. What is called sitemap. Now here very drawback for blogger is your website. In your blogger, they indexing only for home page using sitemap. They can't index in the pages. We can indexing page using with fetch as Google. Suppose just going, we can activate your sitemap. How to activate sitemap your website in a blogger? Click this. Suppose they ask you one interview question. You are totally 100 pages. How many pages index your website? How to check? Your website 100 pages are there. How many pages indexing by Google? How to check? They check by Webmaster. The option call is crawl. That is sitemap. Now look here. Add the sitemap. Sitemap.xml. Now click for first test. How many links will be accepted here in your website? 1. Why? They accept only for post option. They not accept the page options. So one drawback by the blogger. Now here, click this one. Sorry. Sitemap.xml. Now click for submit. So I'm indexing my URL. It indexing or not? How to check? Using with the Webmaster. Now, still is pending my index. Now we'll check another website. Look here. See here. I show one website is there. How many pages are there? 7 URL. How many indexing? How to check? Webmaster. Without Webmaster, we can find out. We can check by manual. We can go with search by Google. But we can find out where? In a Webmaster. The option is crawl. Click for sitemap. We can easily find out. Out of 7 pages, I'm indexing by the 6 pages. Where? We can use by our website. My website total is the 7 pages. I'm indexing for 7 pages. 1 page will be not indexed. Some reason is we're not using that particular URL. So it's not indexed. The clicks will be not done by properly. It is not indexed. Is it clear? Totally, we'll check by here. Now, very important thing is your dashboard, message, search appearance, search traffic, everything will check by your here. Suppose you open for any website, we can open by like this here. Now you look this one. I open my website architectsolution.com. Suppose if your website have a problems, your title will be missed, some description will be missed. How to check? What is called? Search appearance. The application called HTML improvement. See here. Duplicate meta description. How many? 13. Check here. What are the URLs? Here. Is a 7. Is a 2. Kit template. Now click this. About us. Is a previous one is not updating. Now look this. Blog. What is the title here? Kit template for children. Now is changing here. Blog and about us. Why is not updating? Recently updating for sitemap. So it still is not updating my error. Now click here. What is that? Rakesh SEO is a creative web designing company. Now click this. We can check. What is that? Description here. Now check this one. Both are same description or now. How check? How to check? Copy this one. Go to this one. Control U. Control F. Description will be creative web design company. Now Control U. Control F. Control. Both are same description. So what is saying? They matching by duplicate meta description. How to find? Using with the Webmaster. Now this. See here. All will be same meta description. See. We'll check. So it's not there. Maybe it's close with the previous one. Now. It's also not there. Why? It's a previous URL. I'm updating my website. They are showing the previous URLs. That blog.php. Is showing any blog.php? Not there. Why? Because my website don't have a previous URLs. So they crawl by the previous URLs also. Is it clear? Now this is HTML template. What is that last one? Short meta description. Less than 70 characters, less than 50 characters, they should call as the short meta description. They're showing here. About us. here. We already changed the updating with a fraction of seconds. See, is it clear? Now come to this. What is that? Missing title tag. Which one is missing title tag? Check here. New testimonial. Check. Thank you for the testimonial. We will shortly approve. Wait, the short testimonial will be like this. Is it clear? Your name, email, and a message. Now come to this. They're missing by which one? Title will be missing. Now, what is that? Duplicate title tag. See, it's already old links. This all you can change. Why? Because I'm updating the sitemap only for just few minutes back. So they're showing by the old URLs. Yeah. Other changes this. What is that? You click. About us. See. About us digital marketing Hyderabad. We already change. But they are updating with the time will be taken. Now updating only for few hours back. So the updating for the only for take the 1 or 2 odd days. The based on indexing. We are indexing by manually. So the automatically will change by your information. But how to find out the errors? We can go with the search preference. The option called is HTML improvement. Suppose you can highlight the one page. The page will belongs to for one particular business. The option call is data highlighter. See is the data highlighter. See this. We can promote individual pages also. How to promote that individual page? The simple one. Just go here and click for a home page. I'm going to training. I can promote one more. My page is nothing but AdWords online training page. Okay, I'm promoting for this page using with the Webmaster. What is that? Start highlighting. I did nothing but you are promoting for particular one page along with keyword. Now click start highlighting. Now copy this URL. See, articles, book review, events, or local business, movie, or product, or restaurant, software application, and TV episodes. I'm looking for not an article, not a book reviews. What is that? Event is nothing but local business. Now tag this page and other likes or two, or tag just this page. I'm doing only for tag this page only for highlighting purpose, not for like purpose. Now click this one. Click for OK. Always prefer the second option, not for the first option. Click for OK here. See, publishing going on start here. They asking by step by step, step by step. Look here, careful watch. They asking by phone numbers. What's your keyword name? Everything will be asked. What is called here? Name. What is the name called here? Copy this. Click. What is that name? Required. Go to setting. What is that? Add missing tags. Name. What is the name called? Done. What is that? Address. Address will be called Hyderabad. What is that? Telephone. So simple one. Suppose if you adding anything, just look here. What is that? Department, name, telephone organization. Now click. You can capture this one. Come to here. What is that? See, I will be image here. Like, click. What is that? Email address. Check. Email address is there not. No. So leave it. Okay. Now check. Copy this URL. Go to here. Check this one. Add missing tag. URL. What is the URL? Now opening hours. Change to 6 p.m. This is my training hours. So we're waiting for See here. Category. What is the category will be called? Online trainings. Now, now just click. What's the telephone number? Now come down. Click. What's the last one? Department. What's that? Name. What's the name called? My company name. Rakesh Tech Solutions. Average rating. Votes. 5/5. I'm using my 5/5. Click here. Review. Review for date or rating reviewer. Review for rating. Advance. Best possible. 8/10. And view the review for mine. Now click for save. Look, everything is done. See, it's only showing for apostrophe mark here. Automatic value will be missing tag. See here, it's adding for everything. So you're promoting my content. What's my keyword here? Google AdWords online training here. Suppose if you're putting for this one, just go to highlights. See, you're changing by structure also. Now click for publish. It's complete going on publish. So we can highlight your page where? Your search engines. Now, see, this last one. 3, 2, 1. I'm promoting for 3 pages. How to check? Now, what? How many? How many pages we can promote here? 1. If you select the first option, we can promote the edit them all pages. First option will be edit them all pages. Second option will be individual pages. But I'm promoting for editing for individual pages. Why? This purpose of this kind of course. Suppose we are promoting for all pages, will be take time. For individual pages will be guided by your pages using with the Webmaster. Is it clear? This is start highlighting from your content. Is it clear? This is your search traffic from your website. They coming by which keyword they coming to your website. Look here. Your query. What are the query search coming to your website? What are the clicks? So they come into which page? Per page by clicks. So we all discuss Webmaster purpose is they come into which keyword, the page wise how many clicks will be done. This check by the report by the last 28 days. What's that? Countries. Country wise clicks. India 120. Italy 1. This will be last 28 days report. What's that? Device. Desktop, mobile and tablet. Desktop 109. Mobile is 14. Tablet is 0. Last one. Here they're not showing the search type. They come into which search type? Or by keyword or by YouTube or by nothing. They're not showing here. Now date wise. Date wise, what's the last date? 20th 11. Just 48 hours back. How many clicks done by? 2 clicks. Now go with impression. CTR and position. Position nothing but your keyword position. Where is your keyword position? CTR nothing but clicks by impression to 100. This will be discussed by the AdWords. Now will be discussed by the Webmaster. Everything is based on by CTR. What are the clicks? 2 clicks. What was the impression? Out of 182, they clicks only for 2 members. Remaining 180 members are bounce rates. It's a waste of persons. Now what is the CTR? 1.1. Clicks is 2 by 182 into 100. It's 1.1. What is my keyword position? 53.7. Now just go to query. Query wise will check. Is the first position. What the position will be? 31 page is the third position. 5th page, 5th position. Rakesh Telugu Tech, something will be. Uttari solution. 4th page, 4th position. Digital Agency Hyderabad. 196th page, 7th position. We'll check by your keyword position also. Recently, I'm updating my page. The automatic web position will be changed. Suppose you're changing your website time, you have to put in for 503 redirections are very, very important. 503 redirection. That time your keyword will be not getting for down. Always will be putting for previous same position will be putting for website. So when your website will updating time, server response time, we're using by 503 code. See here, this is called search preference. So in your website, how many backlinks are there? We'll check by the link to your website. Your website link will be multiple websites. Reddit, Tumblr, StumbleUpon, Scoopit, YouTube, everything checked by here. See, Southril, Tolstoy, WordPress.com, YouTube, Venditera, etc. website. See here, this is my pages. Home page, 5,000 backlinks. Contact us page, 54 backlinks. This time training, 53. Training page, 28. Contact us, 15. This is all your backlink. They link with the multiple third-party websites. Flipkart, they always first. Reason is they link with the multiple websites. My website only for how many? 5,283 pages. You can increase. This is called backlink submission. We can do by the backlink submission. Now, interlinks. In your website, how many interlinks are there? See this. Blog, about us, like this. The details given by who? XML sitemap are count given by the site:/raketechsolution.com. They give you complete page information. See, these all will be previous information we can update by the new information also. See, manual action nothing but your website got any spam content, duplicate content, your website will be facing a problem, will check by the manual action. Where the webmaster will check by your spam content and duplicate content also. It's clear? Very, very important. Suppose your website target by the one specific country. Suppose your website by US. What's that? International targeting. Suppose your website by targeted by only for one particular country. Now click for country here. What is my specific country here? Suppose I am unchecked by the option. They target by entire globe. They target by entire globe. See this. Now refresh. So always I prefer by the entire location, not for the particular location. Suppose you are particular from only for US. Select US. Save. The website target by which location? Which country? Only for US. Suppose this is like save. They target by the all global location. It's very, very important. Your webmaster will be very key role play for the target location. Suppose you are very important. Your domain name exchange will be .in is default is India. .co.uk is UK fix. .ca is Canada is fixed. We can't change your locations. We can't change your countries. .ae Dubai is fixed. We can't change your target. Specific domain extension we can't change your country from webmaster. .india is only for India. Specific only for India. Now mobile usability. What are the mobile usability done by your webmasters? We'll check by here. Just content. Page with issue for the just too small to read. Where in a mobile. Viewport not set. My viewport in a previous contains not viewport. So I'm changing for my new website like this. If you open your mobile also, look here in mobile. See easy content. Easily readable my content in mobile. This is a mobile version. So if we come to see up to see is friendly or not? See. Okay. Is mobile friendly or not? So is previous. Is a old one. They will show the error. I'm changing my website here. So in your website, how many indexings are done in your backend? We'll check by Google index part. So how many links are there in your backend? 28. See, first is the 22. Now will be increased by the here. Here how many? We'll check here. Here 32. Here will be down by 26 and remain down by here. This cursor is not moving here properly. See this. Now how many links are there? 28 now. So we discuss one class will be Robot.ac. if you block the URLs, if you block the images, we're using the robot.txt. How to check your website will be block the particular URLs? How to check? Suppose your website is a 500 web pages. You can block the 2 URLs. How to check? This is called block resource. You can check by here. So what are the pages you can block? Everything checked by here. This belongs to where? Robo.txt. Robo.txt. Suppose your website, you can remove the one URL. So you can check by here. Temporarily, I can't remove any URLs. See this. Any URL will be removed? No. This one. Is it clear? This is called Webmaster. We can know about website information. If you crawl information, everything checked by here. So if any call errors, your website will be, suppose you're submitting one URL, is the wrong URL. That is called call error. See, server error, soft 404, access denied, not found, other. Simple one. You can solve this problem. Just select, click for mark as fixed. Within 24 hours, your problem will be solved. Soft 404. Copy this. Mark as fixed. Okay. Where? We can check by the call error. Your website exceed 500 call errors. If not removed, your website will be getting for problem will facing. Don't exceed more than 100. I'm saying for 500. Don't go with the exceed the more than 100. See, still is not exceed by the 100. Now not found. Not found nothing but you are submitting for the wrong URL. The URL will be not found by your search engines. We say for the not found. See this. These are all my old URLs. These are all my old URLs. What's for response by? What is the code response by? 404 file not found. Now click mark as fixed. Okay. At a time we can remove for 25. We can exceed by up to 100. Click this one. Clicks and OK. Now clear? Last one. Other option is there. Is a bootstrap code. Mark as fixed. Today everything will be solved by the what is it called? Mark as fixed. Now come to cross state. What is the cross state will be again? High 404. These are what is that? Page crawl per day. 404, average 40, low will be 0. 30% is a frequency. We discussed by where? XML sitemap time. You can check your frequency will be 1.0, 0.80. We can check by here. Just go to your website. Sitemap.xml. Is a priority. Where is your check by priority? Your mobile priority, desktop and etc. Now yeah. Kilobyte download per day. We not download anything. We download option or nothing now. Time spent downloading a page. Nothing but what is that? Just go to here. Here. Copy this code like this. This is all nothing but here will be cross status. Last one, you know that. Robo.txt, sorry, fetch as Google for indexing purpose. Last one, we check by your robot file is there or not. See this. If his file is not there, they call is 404 file not found. What is called? 404 file not is found. Last one, we'll check by how many URLs will be indexed or not. So in your website, how many URL will be there in your previous? They're showing by wrong. Why? Because there's error. Now click. You can check by here. Click sitemap.xml. Copy this. Click for text. How many? 18. Now click. Guys, previous is error is there. Look here. Now will be check. Submit. Now is changing. Previous 8 warnings. Now, where is the warnings are there? Still is a process will be pending. When your approval, your item will be link will be updated. Your index will be started. Clear? This is called. If you are changing any URL parameter in your website, you can change your URL parameter here. Right now I don't have any problem with my URL parameters. What is the URL parameter? Nothing but don't use the underscores. Don't use the underscore. Also will be index, but don't use underscores. Is very important. You can fetch as Google, they will be index, but don't use the underscores. So clear? So this is called, we can discuss about the Webmasters. Is it clear? This is a complete Webmaster tool. So clear? This is called, and tomorrow how to will be structure will be created. We can discuss by the our tomorrow class.